Good morning, ma'am. This is the report of Group 10 and I am Martin Martel.
I am Jose Lumano.
I am Christian Simayaw.
I am Peros J. Lopez.
Our topic for today is all about natural resources, the environment, and agriculture. Natural resources like soil, water, and biodiversity are fundamental, but their overuse threatens the environment with the food system contributing significantly to greenhouse gas emission. Unsustainable practices lead to issues like soil erosion and water scarcity, impacting the environment and food security, especially for vulnerable communities. Conversely, sustainable agriculture uses natural resources responsibility through techniques such as precision irrigation, regenerative farming, and managing natural resources like soil, water, and ecosystems to ensure long-term productivity and environmental health. Next na.
Next is the relationship between resources, environment, and agriculture. It's deeply interconnected and crucial for sustainability. Agriculture relies on natural resources and the environment, but it also significantly impacts them like dependence, environmental impact, resource depletion. Dependence, agriculture relies on natural resources including fertile soil, clean water, biodiversity, and stable climate to produce food. Environmental impact, agricultural activities can heavily impact the environment, consuming large amounts of fresh water, causing deforestation and contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Resource depletion, unsustainable practices driven by population growth and market demand lead the depletion of natural resources like soil, water, and forests.
Next is climate change. Climate change is the changing climate exacerbates these issues with extreme weather events like droughts and floods, further straining agricultural system and affecting communities that depend on them. Sustainability. Sustainability is a shape toward sustainable agriculture is crucial to mitigate negative impacts. This involves managing natural resources in a way that ensures long-term productivity and environmental health, using methods like precision irrigation, regenerative farming, and soil conservation.
Is challenge and solution. Challenge, soil degradation and erosion. Solution, cover cropping and no-till farming. Next, water scarcity. Solution, precious irrigation. Loss of biodiversity. Solution, crop diversification. Greenhouse gas emissions. Regenerative agricultural, responsible and use planning and sustainable forestry can prevent further ecosystem. This is a challenge and solution. That's all.